Hi guys, so as you can see we're going to CVS. So let's go couponing guys. Couponing is crazy. La, 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 la. So guys, make sure you check your CVS because they have a 50% off. Oh, that's only 50% off. I think the machine is broke. Okay, so we're gonna do the first deal I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so these deals I'm gonna do this week. So this dove, when you buy 3 you get $5 extra bucks. So I'm just gonna get 2 of these, and I'm gonna get also the other dove because I have a good CRTs I'm gonna use. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, oh they're closed.
Hello. I just need to get some.
Okay guys, so that dove is included also the woman one. So I'm gonna get 2 woman one, and I'm gonna get 2 for the man. So I'm just gonna show you which one. Oh, they're $5 underneath. Yeah, look at. Okay guys, so I get the dove for men and for the woman. So I'm gonna use the I do have the CRTs, and we do have also the Google coupons I'm gonna use, and I do have also the 6 of 3 Dove CRT, and I do have 4 of 25 body wash, and I'm gonna use those 2 paper manufacturer coupon BOGO, and I have also 2 of 8 Dove CRT I'm gonna use. So I will be paying $5.98 plus tax guys. But remember guys, if we're getting $5 back for this buying this Dove, so that's make all for 98 cents guys. Oh my god. Okay guys, the Revlon, they are spend 12 you get $5 extra bucks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick it up one of these. They are $11.99. Oh my god, I barely can see it. Okay guys, they just $11.99. So which one, the medium one, the natural, whatever. So I'm just gonna pick it up. This is natural. Okay, I'm just gonna pick it up one. Oh, I'm gonna pick it up one. So I do have the $4 off CRT and another $4 off CRT. So I'm just gonna pay. I need to do the breakdown, guys. I forgot. Okay, so the Tresemme, they are 2 for $10. So I do have some CRT, so I'm gonna get 4 of them because they are 2 for $10. So I'm just gonna get 4 of Tresemme and put that in my cart. Okay, so I will give you guys the breakdown. So this is my first transaction. I know that's gonna be a lot. So I get 4 Tresemme, that's 2 for $10, so that's 20, right? So I had to use the $2 entrance coupon, and I have another $4 of 18 hair care, and I do have also the 6 of 3 CRT for the Tresemme, and I have another. I'm gonna use some of the coupons, the paper coupons. So we do have 3 of 2 manufacturer coupon. So I will pay $2 for all 4 Tresemme. So I'm gonna pay for $2 guys for all these 4 Tresemme. That's not a bad deal. They are 2 for $10 guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go and check out for all this stuff. Okay guys, so just want to make sure that you guys are getting also this lip balm, because CVS they're giving free lip balm for, or sometimes they're giving the chips or whatever, any. So it depends on the card. So yeah, I'm just getting this for free. So this CVS giving us for free. Make sure to grab them. Okay guys, so I did all these transactions, so it come out perfectly. The problem is because the Dove, okay, the Dove, they're only taking off $6. They're not taking off $8.99, the BOGO one. So that's okay. So I just pay for it. So all the receipt, look at the SRS set. So I did use $6 extra bucks, so I paid with the gift card for $11.95 plus tax. So I paid $16.23. So I did get back $5.